Dear students, today we are going to start our next topic, types of rainfall. In the last class, we studied precipitation and different types of precipitation. Of this, the rainfall is very important types of precipitation that we already studied. In this class, we are going to study types of rainfall. There are different types of rainfall, and the first one is orographic rainfall. See the picture of orographic effect or orographic rainfall. Here we can see that the moisture laden wind from the sea, that is when during the daytime when temperature is high, the warm ocean, that is ocean water, heated up and converted into water vapor, and this water vapor rises up and move towards the land, move upwards and along the mountain slopes, and when it reaches a certain height, it starts cooling and condense to form clouds, and further condensation, the water vapor changed into water droplets and fall as rainfall, that is heavy rainfall received on the windward side of the mountain, that is this is the windward side of the mountain where there receive heavy rainfall. And after heavy rainfall, the wind became dry, and just opposite to the heavy rainfall region, that is the leeward side of the mountain, this is the leeward side of the mountain where they will get a dry descending air. The leeward side of the mountain do not receive rainfall due to the descending dry air. Why the air is dry? Because all the water or moisture content in the air is turned into rainfall, and it will give heavy rainfall in the opposite direction. And in the leeward side of the mountain, we will get only dry descending air. This type of rainfall is known as orographic rainfall or relief rainfall. So what is orographic rainfall? That is, the moisture laden wind from the sea enters the land and move upward along the mountain slope where it gets cooled and condensed to form clouds. When the windward side of the mountain receive heavy rainfall, the leeward side, that is the opposite side of the mountain, leeward side do not receive rainfall due to the descending dry air. This type of rainfall is known as orographic rainfall or relief rainfall. The leeward side of the mountain became rain shadow region. We can see only the rain shadow, that is nimbus clouds. Only we can see the rain shadow, that is nimbus clouds from the leeward side of the mountain, and they will not get heavy rainfall in this region. So which is rain shadow region? The place situated at the leeward side of the mountain that do not receive any rainfall are referred to as rain shadow region. The second type of rainfall is conventional rainfall that can be seen on the tropical region, that is the region near to the equatorial region, the tropical zone. This type of rainfall can be seen in the tropical region where the temperature is very high and the evaporation is very high. These are the conventional rainfall. See the diagram. Due to high temperature, it heats both the ground and the sea water. Water from the sea get evaporated and rises up. After reaching a certain height, it starts condensation and condensation to form clouds, and from clouds to heavy rainfall with thunder and lightning. This is the speciality of the conventional rainfall. സാധാരണ rainfall ആണ് conventional rainfall എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. That is, due to high temperature, air gets heated and rises up. Cumulus clouds are formed by the cooling and condensation of this rising warm air. Cumulus clouds are formed due to the cooling and the condensation of the warm air, and rainfall occur with thunder and lightning. This rain mostly occur in the afternoon section and do not last long. It come quickly with thunder, lightning, and it will fall. Heavy rainfall will be there. After some time it will go. This type of rainfall is called conventional rainfall, and it is mostly commonly seen in tropical region during the summer. During the summer season, we can see this type of rainfall because during the summer season the temperature is very high and the evaporation is very high, condensation is also very high, and there will be heavy rainfall after noon. That is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. there will be heavy rainfall with thunder and lightning. This type of rainfall can be seen in the tropical region. Here we can experience, in Kerala we can experience this type of rainfall during the summer season. This type of rainfall is known as conventional rainfall with thunder and lightning. Next type of rainfall is border line rainfall. Border rainfall. Why it is called border rainfall? See the picture here. It is set a frontal rainfall. It is also called as frontal rainfall or border rainfall. There is always a difference in atmospheric temperature over the land and sea. Land and sea, the temperature will be different. Water and land. The land will heat faster than the sea. So there is a atmospheric difference in the atmospheric temperature on the land and sea. If the air over the sea come in contact with the air over the land, when the wind move the air from the sea, what is the speciality of the air from the sea? It contains water. It is fully saturated with water and high density. When it come into contact with the air on the land, especially in the coastal region, the warm air will be pushed upward. The warm air will be pushed upward, and there is a temperature difference between the two air, and the condensation started and clouds were formed and rain will be, and there will be rainfall. This type of rainfall is called border rainfall. So what is border rainfall? The atmospheric temperature over the land and sea is different. If the air over the sea come in contact with the air over the land, that is, one air from the sea is fully saturated with water, and the air on the land is dry air. When these air come into contact, especially in the coastal region, the warm air pushed upward, causing the cloud formation and rainfall. This type of rainfall is called border rainfall. So these are the three types of rainfall that we can experience. So our chapter is completed. We will have one more conclusion class to summarize this chapter. So go through the chapter, go through all the videos that I gave for you.